video. In two videos I want to show you how I work with Excire Photo in combination with Capture One. In my case, maybe you're using Lightroom, or if you want to work just with Excire Photo and Bridge, for instance. So I cover these topics in this video. So let's start Excire Photo down here. As you can see, it starts very quick, and here on the left side you see basically my database with the images. According to the structure I have in my external hard drive. So these are all the images according to the year down to 21. If there is a little bell up here, it shows me that in one folder or subfolder obviously there is an image missing, or something which is not good, or an image is not analyzed. So there could be different things. So easy to find in that way. And down here you have the collections, where you can put together collections. Let's say if you need pictures for an agency, or if you have a project you want to put images in from different places, you can do that all here. Up here you have everything you need for the search of images. So I don't go into details. And on the right side you have the keyword lists, the ones you are making by yourself, and the other one Excire Photo is giving them automatically. So but we will see that live in a few seconds. So the first thing we are going to do, we are adding a folder. Now this could be also a SD card or whatever, by hinzufügen. Here we decide if we want to add also the subfolders. We can decide if we want to analyze the images right away, if we want to have previews, if we want to connect with the IPTC profile. And so I leave this all on, so we can see then later in Bridge or in Capture One how this works. Of course, I need a folder now, and I prepared the folder, which is Excire Photo Demo. So I click on it, I make Öffnen, and let's make Start. If you want to import thousands of images and you want to analyze them, it is very fast, but depending on your hardware, it can take a while. So if there is a lot of pictures you want to analyze, maybe you let it run overnight. So, but we press Start. And you see on the left side up there the 29 pictures which are getting analyzed right now. And voila, 9 seconds for 29 pictures are all raw files. And here we go. Now they're all in here. So basically you see that the folder is on my Macintosh hard drive, and I can click that away because we don't need that now. And yes, here are the images. If you do a double click on it, it shows you on the big size, it shows you the miniature, it shows you the histogram, and it shows you also the keywords, you see? So dark, water, sky, nature, sea, water again, but water and Gewässer is not really the same. Water is water, and Gewässer is more like rivers and lakes, things like that, and clouds. And you can add also keywords to the images. If you press Escape, you get out of here. And since now they're all the same style images, if I press them all, you see these are all the keywords he added to different pictures. So if I take only that one, I will find maybe nature or highlands, which is not really highlands, so I can take it off. Let's say if I find something which is a bit different, here I have a silhouette. He's seeing a silhouette, or he sees a tree, he sees wood. It's not a forest, but I leave that for the moment. If I go here, maybe he sees plants, he sees a frame. So you see, he's not tagging all the images with the same tags. He's deciding itself what kind of tag I put to which image. So one thing all these images have together is, so if I click them now, I add my tag, which is called moody or blues. So this one is now attached to all the images. Good. Depending on what you want to do now, you can choose from following options. I don't show you everything now. If you have special questions, please just write me. I can always explain you some more. You can do much more out of here. But if you want to have the short way, you click on the right side and you go to open in Photoshop. And then what's happening, it is going to open the file in Camera Raw first, of course. And then for further processing, you can continue in Photoshop. So exactly, you see, this is what's happening and it goes all very fast. So now we leave that and we close that window. Good, so that's the first part. You see, it's very quick, it's very fast. And now we want to prepare the files to import them in Capture One. So one thing we have to do is to select them all. So this way, select them all. And then you go to Photo and you say Metadaten speichern, which means save the metadatas into the folder. What's happening now, if I go to the folder right now, we don't see anything. You see, there's only the raw files inside. And if we make Photo, Metadaten speichern, all the tags and all the informations are being saved into the metadata. So we haven't done any validating now. So let's say I want to have this one with a 2-star, this one with a 4-star, this one with a 5-star, this one with a 5-star, and this one with a 5-star. I can do it. This one with a 5-star, I want to process. This one I want to process, and so on. And now everything is stored. And if I make changements, of course, I have to store them quick again. Yeah. And now you see, if I go back to the folder, which is here, you have now these XMP files. So this is important. If you open then the files after in an other program like Lightroom Capture One. So, well, that's it. So in the second video, you will see how we import the pictures to the program, and everything else you find in the second video. Thank you so much for watching, and have fun with the program, because it is fun.